Yo, what's up? I've got an unboxing slash setup video. First of all, I'm gonna unbox what I've got. I've had these packages for quite a while now, and just right out of nowhere thought I probably should unbox them. I don't know, I just feel like it. Nothing's pressuring me to do it. I just wanna take a look. Came from Denver. The boy Eberth sent it to me, my G. This was sent way long ago, like months, man. Feel bad that I haven't gotten around it. Hopefully he's not tripping, but yeah. So, send me some Nike SBs. Holy shit. I've always wanted this colorway in Dunks. Sheesh, these are clean as hell. I don't think it's quite suede, it's like some sort of leather. Size 9s, black and white gum on the very bottom of the sole. Yeah, these are pretty fire. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ever. Here's a little bit of sticker. Garden Room. Seems familiar. That must be his brand, or it's like a shoe brand he's got. Like, not a shoe brand, but like a shoe reseller store. I'm gonna ask him about that. Garden Room. We got a new board. Ordered a few from Quasi skateboards. I'm gonna show you my current setup. Right now I've got this real shot wear pro model deck that I got at the mall a while back. It has a lot of life left, but well, the thing is that this board is warped, and I told the guy at the store that it was a little warped, so I managed to get a little discount. But I've been skating it, and it's not too bad, but it doesn't feel too right. I've been forcing myself to get used to it, but yeah, it's not really helping me. I mean, I'm trying to skate as best as I can, and sometimes it just doesn't connect with me. It works, but there's a little something missing with it, and so I'm gonna take it apart and set up one of these bad boys. But first things first, we'd have to open up the box. This came all the way from Ohio. Alright, let's see what Quasi is all about. I've heard great things about these boards, so my homie Jacob also recommended me try one. So I took his word for it and ordered a few, and I also ordered this a while back. So right, just now some paper to protect the decks. That's it. It's an empty box. Pretty cool box. Probably put my boards in here, like all my old setups or old decks. Alright, first one here on the top. Haven't even looked at the graphic yet. Well, I guess I did when I ordered them, but oh, sweet. Wow. And these are 8-inch, both of them. Here's the order receipt. So this one is called the Puzzle 8mm cream color. 8-inch. And this board right here is an 8125. So these are just a tad smaller, and I really hope that I feel something different with them. I feel like I will. Alright, that's board number 1, and here's board number 2. Whoa, this one goes crazy, dude. It looks so much better in person. This one is called Wall A. So Wall A here. 8" as well. 14.25 wheelbase. Length 32. I'm assuming both of them are the same. And yeah, I'm gonna set one of them up for sure. I don't know which one. I'll probably set this one up first. This one is pretty dope. Puzzles. Yeah, I think I'm gonna set this one up. Save this one for some other time. This one is so cool too. I'm excited to skate them both eventually. So I want to start with this one. But I didn't order grip through Quasi. I wanted a certain kind of grip. I'm a big fan of shake jumps, so I ordered some grip from Baker Boys Distribution. And here we're gonna unbox it. Take a look what your boy got. Very excited for this grip. It's pretty minimalistic. It doesn't have the big letters on it. Just a little stamp. I ordered 3 sheets if I remember correctly. Shake jump. 4. I ordered 4. Cool. Good for me. Yep. So this is the Piss Drunk collab grip with shake jump. All 4 of them are the same. I kept it on the box too long. I guess like the paper on the back is kind of peeling off the grip. I hope that it sticks good to my board. I ordered 4 of them, so that's in case I get more boards. But I could in reality use. I only use 1 grip with each skateboard I get. It's too much work to regrip a skateboard, especially because by the time you really need grip, the board is also done for. So not really too worried about regripping decks. So yeah, Piss Drunk. We're gonna do this. Alright, so this board is gonna stay right here for now. You can see it pretty good there. I'm gonna set up my quasi skateboard. Pretty excited. I'll try to get some clips tomorrow. It's too dark right now, it's late. Tomorrow I wanna go out with my camera and try to film at the skate park or something. Try to get some basics done. Try to tell you how I feel about it. Just gonna get my tool. Set this up. Unlike my fingerboards, I always start with the grip first and then the holes. You know, classic skateboard setup. You know, just how it usually goes. On a fingerboard, you can just skip that part. I mean, I guess you could do it on a skateboard too. Kind of put the trucks first and then the grip, but what if you want to get your trucks out? Kind of be a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna keep it classic. Oh, comes perforated. Good job, shake jump. Nobody likes air bubbles, so that's awesome. Yeah. Bring this a little closer to me and kind of map it out. Please, air bubbles, go away. And then something I've learned over the years is that you can put your Shasian grip or the backing of the grip tape paper and just smooth it out. Smooth it out that way. You can guarantee no air bubbles. Or like that. Either way works. Okay. Once that step's done, then the scoring comes. I like to file around the edges here. That way it's easier to cut with a razor. I guess I could use my knife here. Should be pretty sharp. Been using it a lot to cut myself. Just kidding. I'm gonna go like that. I like to go in 4 places. Oops. Yeah, it's not very sharp, so gonna just ruin that perfect cut. I'm gonna get a razor. Should look pretty good. That's perfect. I'd rather set up boards outside because it could get messy, but I don't know. These are the pieces that I save to sand down the edges to avoid any peeling along the way. I mean, although it happens, but I think it helps it not to happen as often. Well, that's looking pretty nice. I've always liked to work on my own setups. Even starting young, aside from the time my parents bought me a complete skateboard, I've never been that dude telling the guy at the shop, hey, can you grip this for me? Nothing against them or their skill set, just like to do it myself. It feels like I get more personal to it. I do it how I want it, and if I mess up then it's on me, but grip job is very important to me. And voila, that looks pretty good. It's got a yellow top ply, so looks pretty nice. Kinda like this setup. This setup also has a yellow top ply, so I like how it looks. I like dyed plies. The bottom under the graphic is wood natural color, but on a skateboard I really don't give a shit too much. It's amazing. Well, cool. The next step on let's set up, it's poking the holes to get the bolts through, and I still gotta take this setup apart over here, so that's gonna set me back a little bit. Might just cut the video for a sec until I get the trucks out, and then I'll start filming once I'm ready to put the trucks on. But yeah, so I just poke there. Cool. 8 holes for 8 bolts. I think I'm gonna use fresh tuning actually. Old deck here. Maybe along the way someone's in need of a board and I'll hook it up, but I'll keep it under my bed for now. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep using my same trucks and wheels. My bearings are all about to pop and obliterate, but and I have some extra bearings, but I'm the kind of guy that just uses it until it's trashed, completely done for. So I'm gonna keep using my same indies, Spitfire, Conicals, 101s, and yeah, Also, I sanded the board, like the edges outside, because it would have gotten way too dusty in here, and I don't even want to breathe that in. I'm already going to breathe enough of it, but I didn't want to add to the sauce, so sanded a little bit of that. Hopefully that helps. Looks amazing. And I'm not going to use my same hardware. I'm going to use some fresh shake jump bolts here, so pretty stoked. With the purchase of shake jump hardware, you get a little shake jump sticker, fresh Allen key. This is the one I've had forever. Silver tools also come with their own Allen key, but you know, whatever. Oh, I know. I'm doing something funny. I'm gonna have 2 green on the side, 2 yellow, then green and yellow here. Yeah. I like that. I like how that looks. So we're gonna go with it. Usually people do the crisscross, you know what I mean? But I'm feeling a little different today. Okay, on my front truck. Big fan of crooks, so this is definitely my front truck. Let me see where would I put some of my stickers. I'm gonna put some stickers in this bad bee. Why? Well, because I like it. I remember back in the day I wouldn't put stickers because I'd be like, oh yeah, but those companies don't even like sponsor me or anything, like why? But I grew out of that and I actually got fingerboarding sponsors, so Black River truck sticker right here. Well, that looks pretty nice. Black River trucks, fingerboarding trucks. What else? What else? Another Black River ramp sticker here. Let's see where I could put this one on. Maybe right here. Sometimes I put the stickers before I even grip my board, but this time I kind of just spaced it, so it's no big deal. Flat face sticker. I think I will. I like flat face. Catfish barbecue sticker. Yeah, I will. Say less, man. I love fish. There's a really epic sticker right here. Berlinwood sticker. Where are you going? To Connors or are you going home?
B, bro. I just came to B.
Oh, okay.
The guy was like, "Hey, when can I get you?" I'm like, "Bro, I'm just gonna be first." And he's like, "I bet I'll be waiting for you." I'm like,
And then
oh,
you.
ya me estoy cerca ya de la casa de Connor, bro.
Oh, that's cool, man. I've been setting up a new skateboard. I'm filming it for YouTube.
Ya. Bueno, yo ya estoy cerca.
Shit. Okay. Well, this is gonna take me another few minutes, so take your time.
¿Cómo?
This is gonna take me another few minutes, so take your time.
Dame la pinga, okay.
Di hola YouTube.
Ya hablamos. Ay, un ratito te escribo cuando ya llegue.
Okay, puta. Nos vemos.
Okay, bye.
Bye, bro. Okay. That was pretty nice. I like it. I like it. So now we're gonna put on the trucks. This is my front truck right here. Cool, front truck's on there. I'll do the tightening in a bit. Start to secure these. Ooh, nice and heavy. I've got independence. These are not hollow or nothing, you know, these are not even a different metal. These are just like the natural, the regular, classic independent truck, so definitely a little heavy. But it's smaller too, so shit. Okay, now we're gonna tie in these bad boys. Here, starting at the front truck. I'm gonna put this down. It's taking forever. Alright, that's it. This is my new setup. Winter is like around the corner, and I probably won't get to skate as much, but tomorrow I'll take it out for a try, little session, you know, and I'll try to skate as much as I can before it starts snowing and getting cold and shitty. It already started getting colder, so just a few days ago it was really cold at night, so it's, I don't like it, but that's just the way it is. And yeah, it'll be the setup for next summer too, so I won't be setting the other board for a while. Depends how, yeah, because winter's coming, so it's really like, I mean, there's indoor skate parks might try to check out, but it's all about how much I'm skating, really. Like, the less I skate, obviously the board is gonna last longer. So, and I'm a pretty mellow guy. I don't go down the biggest set of stairs or anything. I kind of just do low impact tricks, try to do lines, you know, stay consistent, flat ground, and that's just what's fun to me. So yeah, we'll see how this holds up. Pretty sure it's gonna be great. And nothing, we'll keep going with this in a bit. So ugly. So, tires getting on the driveway right there. I'm gonna go to a middle school that has, I recall, a mani-pad. I don't really feel like going to the skate park, so I'm gonna go check that mani-pad out, and hopefully I can get some tricks. I brought an extra lace too because I just ripped mine out. Lost myself in your
Cool. You should get the full moon behind you too. Have you seen it? Well, it's not full yet, but it's pretty cool in the background.
I love that trick.